So we have prepared two sets of tests for Jumbo. The first one is a spelling test. Now we have here 5 animal pictures. We have here the horse, snake, tiger, camel, and the zebra. Now everyone, I need you to choose one animal picture. What would it be? Again, I can hear you. Say it louder. Alright, so let's proceed tiger with Mr. TJ. Now, this type of behavior showcases their intelligence, curiosity, social nature, and how quickly they can learn. In fact, Macos often compared to a 4-year-old child because of how they think and act. So let's proceed to Mr. James here to ask questions about Jumbo. So hi, Mr. James. Good afternoon. How are you today? I'm good. That's good to hear. Mr. James, where did Jumbo originally came from? South America. Wow, South America, but he loves to stay here in the Philippines, right? Yes. Alright, so we're all set and ready. Jumbo buddy, take a good look at the picture. Can you spell out the tiger word correctly? Alright, so first letter buddy. He picks up the letter D, and for the second one, he picks up the letter I. Now, for the third one buddy. Alright, take your time. There's no need to rush. He's still busy eating. There's no need to rush. You have all the time you need. He picks up the letter G. Now, for the next letter. You're almost there. He picks up the letter E. Now, for the last one, buddy. He picks up the letter R. So, tiger spells T-I-G-E-R. Is it correct? Alright, now since Jumbo did well on the first test, we will make it more difficult. Let's proceed to mathematical tests in addition form. Now I need 2 numbers from 1 to 10. Can you raise your hands or hand sign please? How about on this side? Okay, I see your 5. How about on the other side? Higher than 5. 7. 5 plus 7. So while Mr. Charles is arranging the jumbled numbers, let's go again to Mr. James to ask more questions about Jumbo. Now, Mr. James, what are Jumbo's favorite food?
Where the seeds, fruits, and